Welcome back to IIT Foundation program. Now I am going to explain the question number 7 of worksheet 2 9th standard module 2 of chapter differentiation. So now in the differentiation chapter, question number 7 I want to explain here. Here you can see the question like d by dx of sin root x. So now d by dx of root over sin root x is the question. Yes, what about d by dx of root x? First you can see the derivative of root x. D by dx of root x means what here? 1 by 2 root x. That means here d by dx of root over sin root x is nothing but what? 1 by 2 root x, 2 root of sin of root x. So which is the root x means you can assume as sin root x as x. So we have to do that inner derivative. We have to do that inner derivative means మీరు ఏదైతే x అని assume చేసుకున్నారో ఆ వాల్యూని మళ్ళీ మనం డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయాలి. So now here into d by dx of sin of root x. So into d by dx of, again you can get 1 by 2 root sin root x into d by dx of sin. D by dx of sin means what here? D by dx of sin x, which is nothing but cos x. Very good children. Okay, excellent response. Again inner derivative of cos x. Cos x means in the place of cos x we have root x, but it is not a direct value of x. So direct value వచ్చే వరకు మనం inner derivative చేయాలి. So n you can take here as per chain rule d by dx of root x. Again d by dx of root x means what? 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root of sin of root x into here cos of root x into 1 by 2 root x. So now here 1 by 4 can take 2 2s are how much here? 4 cos of root x by 4 root x into root over sin of root x, which is in the option. ఏ ఆప్షన్లో ఉందో చూడండి. So which is in the option here? Option number 1. So as usually you can write as cos of root x by in the only one single root 4 into root over x into what here? Sin of root x, root x. Okay, so now copy the question and answer. Okay, yes children, I am going to explain 8th one. See the 8th question. So now d by dx of x plus 1 by x. We have to write this one as d by dx of x plus d by dx of 1 by x. d by dx of 1 by x. What about the derivative of x? Derivative of x is 1. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square. So now you can write this one as derivative of x with respect to x. Derivative of x with respect to x you are doing. Derivative of 1 by x with respect to x you are doing, children. So now here derivative of x with respect to x means value 1. Derivative of 1 by x with respect to x means minus 1 by x square. So 1 minus 1 by x square is the final answer, which is in the option number 1, children. Which is in the option number 1. Okay. 9th question. What is the 9th question? We can see. So if y is equal to e power x, then find dy by dx. Then what is the value of dy by dx? So you can see that dy by dx means d by dx of y. D by dx of y means what here? D by dx of e power x. What about e power x value? Derivative of d by dx of e power x with respect to x you are doing. Again e power x. The value is y. The value is what? Y. So which is in the option number 3. Which is in the option number 3, children. Okay. Have you got it? Yes. What is any doubt? In the previous one you can post that doubt in the YouTube's or in the WhatsApp number. Okay. Now you can copy this solution. Okay, now question number 10. Now I am going to explain question number 10. How we can do this? So question we can see here. First question ఇవ్వగానే మనం క్వశ్చన్ ఇవ్వగానే అసలు క్వశ్చన్లో వాడు ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు, మనం f dash of x ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ విచ్ ఫార్ములా వీ హ్యావ్ టు అప్లై. అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. Applications means we have to read the formulas before doing exercise. We have to read the formulas and we have to read the concept thoroughly. Then we are able to answer easily. So now here, so f of x is equal to a power x by x power a. Then find what about the value. Then f of x equal to a power x by x power a. Then f dash of a is equal to dash. So solution I am telling here. f of x is equal to a power x by x power a. f of x equal to a power x by x power a. So then what about f dash of a they are asking. So now I have to first find out f dash of x. So here differentiate with respect to x. Then I will get what here, f dash of x is equal to d by dx of a power x by x power a. So then both are in the fraction. Yesterday I told you both are in the fraction here in the variable in terms of variable x. We have to apply u by v rule. What is u by v rule here? d by dx of u by v. That is d by dx of u by v. That is nothing but v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v divided by v square. Then you can see here derivative of a power x by x power a, v into u dash. V into u dash means here d by dx of x by, then you can get d by dx of a power x by x power a. Children, so I am assuming this one as u, this one as v. ఎందుకు సార్ assume చేసుకోవాలి? Why means here in terms of x in the both numerator and denominator we have to apply u by v condition. Based on that we can take numerator as u, denominator as v obviously. So now you can take here vu dash. Vu dash means what, children? Here x power a into d by dx of a power x minus a power x into d by dx of x power a divided by x power a whole square. So now you can write x power a into a power x log a. What sir, why you are writing like this? d by dx of a power x. What is d by dx of a power x here? d by dx of a power x means a power x log a. So minus a power x into, here is the formula, here both formulas I am writing. d by dx of a power x means what? A power x log a. Children, note down here in the concept of d by dx of x power n means formula n into x power n minus 1. So now n into x power n minus 1 means n into x power n minus 1 means here n is a into x power a minus 1 divided by x by a x power a whole square. So now I got f dash of x. This is the value of f dash of x. I found that. నాకు ఏమొచ్చిందంటే f dash of x వచ్చింది. క్వశ్చన్లో వాడే ఇచ్చాడు చూడండి. క్వశ్చన్లో ఇన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ద గివెన్ యాజ్ f dash of a అంటే ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ x, ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ x వీ హ్యావ్ టు రీప్లేస్ ద వాల్యూ యాజ్ a. అంటే xని మనం ఏతో రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి. f dash of x చేసిన తర్వాత then you can substitute the value x as a. So you can take x is equal to a here. Now you can substitute that x is equal to a, then we can get f dash of a is equal to a power a into again a power a into log a minus a power a into here a into a power a minus 1 divided by a power a whole square, a power a whole square. Now you can write this one as a power a whole square into log a minus a power a into a power a into a power a. You can see that a power a into a power a. So a power a into a into here a power m minus n, and a power m minus n means here a power m plus n. You can see a power m into a power n, a power m into a power n. Now you can write a power a into a inverse divided by a power a whole square, a power a whole square. Now next continuation I am writing here. So from this last step I am writing here. You can see లాస్ట్ స్టెప్, దీనికి లాస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఇక్కడ బోర్డు మీద ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నాను చూడండి, కంటిన్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. సో ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ పవర్ ఏ హోల్ స్క్వేర్, ఏ పవర్ ఏ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ లాగ్ ఏ మైనస్ అగైన్ దిస్ ఏ పవర్ ఏ ఇంటూ ఏ పవర్ ఏ పవర్ ఏ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ 1, ఏ ఇంటూ ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ వాల్యూ హౌ మచ్, ఏ ఇంటూ ఏ ఇన్వర్స్, ఏ ఇంటూ ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ వాల్యూ హియర్ ఏ ఇంటూ a inverse value 1, because a into 1 by a, you can write a into a inverse as a into 1 by a. So now a into a inverse value 1, so divided by what here, a power a whole square. Now I will take common a power a whole square as common here, log a minus 1, log a minus 1 by a power a whole square. Then you can cancel these two here. So now f dash of a ante log a minus 1, f dash of a ante entandi log a minus 1. So which is the final answer, which is ekkada mana option lo ekkada undo chuskondi ippudu. So log a minus 1, which is in the option number 1. So I am explaining again this question solution here. నేను మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నానంటే మీకు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఒకవేళ లెంగ్దీ అయితే కనుక మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది, అంతేగాని మీరు మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాడంటే అనుకోవద్దు. అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్, యూ కెన్ లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. సో డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ యాజ్ డెరివేటివ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఎక్స్, ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు డి బై ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ పవర్ ఎక్స్ బై ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఏ. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫార్ములా u by v, vu dash minus uv dash by v square, that is means x power a into d by x of a power x minus a power x into d by x of x power a by x power a whole square. So derivative of a power x log a, x power n formula n into x power n minus 1. So a into x power a minus 1 by x power a whole square at x equal to 1, a power a into a power a log a minus a power a into a power a minus 1, a power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. So that is nothing but this a into a inverse as 1. So remaining I am writing, ikkada ikkada avvaledandi, ee last step ee box lo pettanu chudandi children, this is last one. See here, a power a whole square into log a minus a power a whole square into 1, a power a whole square, this two cancel, the answer is finally log a minus 1, which is in the option number 1. Okay, now copy this children. Now I am explaining here question number 11 here. So see that question number 11. Okay, see that next one solution here. Y is given, y is equal to here 3 power 2 log x plus 7. Okay, now here formula is what, d by dx of, which is in the form of d by dx of a power x, that means a power x log a, a power x log a. Now here a power x log a means 3 power 2 log x plus 7 into log a, log a means log 3. Okay, now again inner derivative, what about x here, a power x ఏదో అనుకోండి, దాన్ని మళ్ళీ inner derivative చేయాలి కదా, d by dx of 2 log x plus 7. Now here children 3 power 2 log x plus 7 into here log 3 into derivative of 2 means here constant, we are multiplying the variable into constant, you can separate the constant and differentiate. So now here 2 into d by dx of log x, then constant derivative here 0, derivative of 7 is 0. So now you can write as usually, this is y. Actually first value is what? First value is what, children? Here this is the value of y. Y into dy by dx is equal to y into log 3 into 2 into d by dx, 2 into d by dx, 2 into derivative of log x, 2 into derivative of log x means what? 1 by x. సో నా ఇక్కడ మనం కంప్లీట్గా రాస్తే కనుక ఏమవుతుందండి, ఇక్కడ కంబైన్ విత్ y అండ్ రైట్ 2y ఇంటూ log 3 చిల్డ్రన్ డివైడెడ్ బై x. అది ఆప్షన్ ఎక్కడుందో చూడండి, 2y ఇంటూ log 3, 2y ఇంటూ log 3 by x, దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద ఆప్షన్ నెంబర్ 2 చిల్డ్రన్. కాపీ దిస్. Okay children, next I am going to explain 12th question. Solution. So if y is equal to a power x into e power x, differentiate with respect to x, so dy by dx is equal to d by dx of a power x into e power x, which is u, which is v. So u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. U into d by dx of v means what, children? U into d by dx of v means dy by dx is equal to a power x into d by dx of e power x plus e power x into d by dx of a power x. So children, here a power x into derivative of e power x with respect to x formula is what? Derivative of e power x with respect to x means e power x children. అంటే మనం ఏదైనా క్వశ్చన్ చేస్తే కనుక డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ కానీ డిఫరెన్షియల్ క్యాలిక్యులస్లో ఖచ్చితంగా మనం ఫార్ములా బేస్డ్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి బిఫోర్ దట్ డూయింగ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ దెన్ యూ కెన్ రీడ్ ద ఫార్ములా థరోలీ, దెన్ యూ కెన్ గెట్ టు ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, while you are practicing, if you have any doubt you can post the doubts. Okay, now here see here a power x into e power x, e power x into derivative of a power x with respect to x means a power x log a power x log a. Now I will take common here a power x, అంటే కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏదైనా ఉందా అని చూడండి. 2 టర్మ్స్ కామన్, a power x into e power x కామన్. So now a power x into e power x is common, so remaining is what? 1 plus log a. What about a power x into e power x value? Value is given already as y. a power x into e power x ఆల్రెడీ మనకు వాల్యూ అందులో ఇచ్చున్నాడు కాబట్టి దాన్ని మనం yగా కానీ లేదంటే వాడు f of x వేస్తే f of x కానీ మనం మళ్ళీ రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి. So now the replace the value as y here, y into here 1 plus log a, 1 plus log a. Okay, therefore dy by dx is equal to y into 1 plus log a, y into 1 plus log a, which is about the question number 12. Okay children, I think you have completely understood my worksheet number 2 explanation. So now which is about the worksheet 2 of differentiation. In the next session I am going to explain the worksheet number 3. Okay, thank you for watching EDUHUNT IIT Foundation program.